Hope you guys like that. That was Groove. It's a lingerie superstore.
Mm-hmm.
And I've known the owner for some years now, and he's bought lots of equipment from me, and he just asked me to go out there and check it out. And come to find out that the problem was that, and I'll talk to them about that, like he was playing modern rap using a Sonos unit, which streams, which is fine. It's not a problem, but I think the music choice is that of the employees rather than what's better for the store. So what's better for the store is something that's like uplifting and not like church music, but like uplifting and chill. And that would be great though if you walk in and it's nothing but church hymns and shit like that. So, but I'm going to suggest to him I'll suggest a playlist that's a little, again, you want something that's like happy and helps people feel safe, that they can, buy their lingerie and their dildos at 1 a.m. and be okay. That, it's not like a thug atmosphere. And again, it's not my portrayal of rap music, it's rap's portrayal of rap music that makes it thuggish. And so, but anyways, I think what happened was the three things actually. One is they had wired everything in parallel and just shoved it in the back. And the receiver that they were using was an old Sony. It's a great unit and everything, but it's not made for anything below 8 ohms. And so what I did was I just wired each pair in series so that it would be anywhere from 12 to 16 ohms, which is fine. You just have to turn it up a little bit on the volume control. And so I rewired it for series so that the amp wouldn't overheat or distort. And then the other thing was that I changed out the receiver so that we could have bass and treble controls. And what I did was I just put the bass at like a -3 and then turn the treble all the way up. So, because again, and I suggested to him that you should probably add a subwoofer if you do want bass. And the speakers that we were using were these ones that I imported for Arizona Audio. It's a 8-inch coaxial. It plays down to 40 hertz. It's a pretty good unit, but it's when the store people, the people that work there, the employees, want rap music and then they want bass, and nobody's in the store, they're going to turn it up, and that's what happened. And they blew 2 speakers, and so that's what I was sent out there to troubleshoot and take care of, and so I did that. No judgment on what people do on their Sundays. In fact, I grew up Mormon, and I think I was about 12 when my dad, we came back from the excursion in Utah, and my dad was like, I think my mom had moved, and so I was with my dad on the weekends as well, and he and Jack Conan were like, let's go riding. I was like, riding? He's like, yeah, let's go ride some ATCs out in the desert. We're like, on a Sunday? So I was like, people do more than go to church on Sundays, and it was like, that was like the era of my dad started being really cool and not making us go to fucking church anymore. I think it was because after Robin left. So, but my stepmom that we were talking about on the way here, who I didn't know, I had no idea that she was having a hard time managing a household with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of us plus her newborn. And she was having to smoke a little dank at night to kind of cope with stuff, which I have no judgment on. What I do have a judgment on though is that she just up and left everybody and us kids, and I think she could have handled it differently, but whatever. One thing I was telling Sheri that I was grateful about was that at least now I know who she really is, and she's not somebody I want to have in my circle. So, but she found a guy that was, really happy just to be with her and willing to give her whatever she wanted, and he made good money, and so there you go. And she gave him a baby to seal the deal. So it's like, all right. And for many people and many couples, that's a win-win, But